everyone, welcome back. In case you can't tell, we are back to our grass background. We're not going to do a winter themed video today because I found something at Walmart. Do you know who that is? It is Mariah Elizabeth. She is, if you don't know who she is a fantastic content creator who does squishies and all kinds of art projects. She is so fun to watch. And these are all of, well, not all of, these are some of the characters that she has created. And this one in particular, she actually dressed up as. Again, follow Mariah Elizabeth. She has Create This Book and all these other fun things. Look at these. That is Derp right there. And Pickle the dinosaur. Oh my gosh. This was a squishy that she did. I actually remember watching that video. But she has Series 1 mini mystery plushes. And I got it on clearance at Walmart. But look at her packaging. What's inside? Mini mystery plush. Mariah Elizabeth. This is how she signs all of her art and all of her projects. And apparently there are 8 that we can collect. I don't normally do plushies unless I have a reason to. I'm thinking this is going to be based on the box. Too big for an American Girl doll and too big for a Barbie. I mean, comparing to a Barbie. Look at the size of the box. Like it is, you know, half of a Barbie. It's just so big. So I'm thinking this will just have to be for fun. But I mean, who doesn't love Mariah Elizabeth? Her art is amazing. I wish I had her talent. Let's just go right in. Look at the box. Very nice. It's a nice shiny plastic. Not plastic, shiny cardboard. Okay, so it's all recyclable. Look at that. And it's got her beautiful signature and her pastel rainbow. I love it. Let's go in and open it. Look at this. So much better for the environment. Okay, there we go. And there is, the first thing we see is her face. It is the collector guide. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at the collector guide. It is huge and one piece, but let's see what we got. I'm not showing you yet. So there are all 8. There is Derp and Georgie. He was a pineapple. Pickle the dinosaur. Kathy the cat. Bumble bear. Rosie is a hippo and a butterfly. Lemon the bunny. And Cupie, and this is the one that she dressed up as, and that's the one that I was hoping we would get because it is just so cute. Look at the nice, like even this is a high quality paper. Collect all 8. There is her face. This is wonderful merch, Mariah. Absolutely wonderful. Now, let's see which one we got. Here's our box again, and it's the one that I wanted. Look at this. Now, she made this out of a squishy, and this is a squishy. Look at this. I love them. It's so soft. Go find her videos where she dressed up as this character. It was amazing. So if I were you, I would watch my video, watch the review on this, then watch her video where she made this into a squishy, and then watch the video where she actually dressed up as Cupie. This is a cupcake, and this is the cherry, and it has embroidered on the back of her neck. The back of her cupcake icing is her signature. It is so squishy. Oh, I love it. It has her initial or her signature on the tag. And the arms open up. Look at that. Like the detail on this. The eyes are embroidered. And her famous, oh, I was going to say just look at the famous sprinkles. But this actually lifts up. Oh my goodness. The icing head. Does it smell? No, it does not smell. There is no scent to it. I mean, but squishies wouldn't smell that she's redone unless she did them out of paint, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. In the comments, do you have this? Do you want to see more of this? Because this is super, super cute. I got this on clearance. They did have a couple more. I don't know. Let me know. Should we go and actually get more of these, or should we just leave it? I don't know what I'm going to do with it other than maybe display it, because again, we do a lot of stuff with dolls, and compared to Barbie, you know, it's not going to work. She's just too big for Barbie. Right? It doesn't fit Barbie. Let's try with our 18-inch doll. I don't think it's going to fit with that either. Like, there's our 18-inch doll's head. Her hair is getting a little messed up. We may have to buy a new doll soon. And here's the squishy. I mean, you know what, though? It might actually work, because there are those giant squishmallows that are the size of your head. I mean, realistically, that could work. Let me see. I don't know. Like, it could fit, right? It could. She can hold it. Look at that. I'm going to turn her sideways. Here, I'm going to just turn her sideways so we can see her torso. Here she is holding the doll. What do you think? You know what? This might actually... Oh, you know what? Okay, so this could work for your 18-inch dolls. This may actually work. You know what? I wonder if you could use the packaging and maybe make a Mariah Elizabeth room for your dolls. Like, you could cut along here and make this, like cutting here, make it into a poster to hang above your doll's bed. You could even just, I mean, I wouldn't want to hang the whole thing. Maybe fold this in half and cut like a shape out of this, maybe to match the clouds, and you could hang that in your doll's room. Because the more that I look at this, right, like, she can actually hold this because it's got, oh my gosh, look at that. She can actually hold it because of the handles. What could we do? You know what? Looking at the box, let's figure out. I'm going to move her off to the side. That is absolutely adorable. She holds onto it. The doll holds onto it. I like this. What can we do with the box? The box might actually be better for dollhouse decor. We could cut it straight here, making sure we keep the drips. We could cut out the initial. We could even cut this out and put that on as like a poster in the background. What about just cutting out the faces? Like, we could do that. And then this would be a nice thick cardboard as opposed to, right, the paper, even though the paper is a great quality. Who doesn't want Georgie's face on their wall, right? I know if you had a brunette doll, you could actually make, if you watch Mariah Elizabeth's videos, she has her blue couch and she has all of her artwork and things that, or artwork people have sent in. You could actually make a Mariah Elizabeth room. You could put all of these on the wall with some other art. Even, you know, like the box, use all of it. Put some of the mystery squishies or whatever else you have. And if you have a brunette doll, you could sit them there and you could have a Mariah Elizabeth doll. How great would that be? I don't know. I really like this. I'm thinking now, do we have time, or should we actually make a Mariah Elizabeth room in our dollhouse? It could be temporary. It could just be something we did for the moment. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think my doll would like a room? Would you? Let's start off with that. Would you make a room out of these things? Would you buy more of these? If you had a pink doll, you could even try to replicate that. I don't know. I just love Mariah Elizabeth, and this is, I can't get enough of it. It's so squishy. I love it. I love it. I'm going to tag Mariah Elizabeth in the video, even though I'm a teeny tiny little creator. I think her stuff is amazing, and she is an inspiration. Please, if you're not already following her, go and follow her. And let me know, should we turn her packaging into something for our dolls? We've been doing a lot of Barbie lately. Maybe we should switch over and do some crafts for our 18-inch dolls, or American Girl dolls, or like mine, our Newberry dolls. Let me know in the comments if you think we should, or what you would do with the packaging. If you have these, is there a series 2? Because this says series 1. Is there another series? You have to let me know. Tell me in the comments. And thank you once again for all of your support. I will see you all next week.